Hot topic alert, Schumacher discusses replacing Hamilton at Mercedes with Wolff. F1 fans, hold on to your seats. Shockwaves ripple through the paddock as Schumacher hints at a potential shakeup at Mercedes. Could he step into Hamilton's shoes? Don't miss out on the latest buzz. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve and dive into this intriguing speculation. Hey, Formula One fanatics! I've got some scorching news straight from the racetracks. With Lewis Hamilton leaving Mercedes for Ferrari in 2025, there's going to be a prime seat up for grabs at the German team. And who's going to be the lucky one to fill in next to George Russell? Looks like Mick Schumacher is in the running. That's right, Mercedes reserve driver Mick Schumacher admitted to having a quick chat with team boss Toto Wolff about the possibility of stepping into the seven-time champ's cockpit next season. So, will the son of the legendary Michael Schumacher land this dream spot? Mick's feeling confident and believes he's ready to handle the pressure of racing for a top team. He even said he's geared up to showcase his talents. Sure, it's a high-pressure gig, but I feel like I can handle it. However, the decision isn't up to me, the driver said. After a season at Alpine in the WEC, Mick remains a strong contender at Mercedes. Despite being forced out of Haas at the end of 2022, he's looking to seize this new opportunity and prove his worth. An F1 cockpit is obviously my big goal, he stated. And the best part is Mick's got Toto Wolff's backing, who's repeatedly said he deserves a shot as a full-time driver. It seems the talks between them have already kicked off, and Mick's raring to show his stuff. But what do you guys think about this potential move of Mick Schumacher to Mercedes in 2025? Will he manage to outshine the competition and secure the spot? Drop your opinions in the comments. And don't forget to stay tuned to the channel for more F1 updates.